In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Excel to create a line graph for a single subject's data. In a subsequent video, I'll also show you for multiple subjects. You'll want to make sure to review the video Graphing Standards before watching this one. In another video, I'll show you how to create a bar graph. In this video, I'm going to use the Mac version of Microsoft Excel. However, the Windows-based version is very similar and the buttons look the same. In class, I'll show you on a PC how to do this. I've got my data here where we have predicted VO2 in column A and measured heart rate in column B. For the purpose of this graph, the predicted VO2 is the independent variable because that's what we're manipulating, and we're measuring the dependent variable heart rate. The way I've set it up is the way you should set it up. So your independent goes in the first column and your dependent goes in the second column. This will ensure that whatever you want on the x-axis goes on the x-axis and whatever you want on the y-axis goes on the y-axis. Once you have your data in Excel, you're going to highlight it. You click your mouse and drag it over the data you want to graph. You're then going to select the tab Charts. There are multiple options in your Charts tab. Because we only have a single set of data, we're going to choose the Scatter option. Click on the Scatter option and choose the one that has both the data points as well as a line attaching them. And you'll get your chart. You can obviously see we are missing title and axis title in units, so we need to be able to put these in. I'm going to select on the Chart Quick Layout the option that allows me to do this. You can see on the very left hand side I have an option, if I click on it, is going to add axis titles and chart titles. Because this is a set of data from a single subject, I don't need a legend. If I had multiple dependent variables, I would have a legend. So I'm going to click on it and delete it. I am now ready to change the axis titles. To do this, I'm going to double click on the axis title and add the correct axis title. So here we've got heart rate measured in beats per minute. I can do the same for the x-axis. I'm now ready to add my chart title. If I wanted to, I could change the scale of my measurement. We know, unless you're dead, you don't have a heart rate of 0. So I may want to start the heart rate scale at 50. To do this, I double click on the axes and I select Scale. I want my minimum to be 50 and my maximum to be 200. I also want to have 25 units between each of these. I can also do the same thing on the x-axis if I wanted to. There are other options in Excel to mark different things. Let's say I wanted to mark maximal heart rate. To do this on a Mac version, I click Insert, Text Box, and click where I want to do it. So if I want to say that this is maximal heart rate, if I want to insert an arrow pointing to the maximal heart rate, I can do the same. I can click Insert, choose Shape, and choose from a variety of shapes that come up. I can change the color by clicking on the appropriate object and selecting the color I want. In class, I'll show you how to do this on a PC version. That's it. We have our chart done. In another video, I'll show you how to do a bar graph.